to the Ramen World! Thank you! 今日も張り切って作りたいと思います。今日はポークチャップラーメン。ちょっと変わってるんですけども、豚肉をケチャップとウスターソースで炒めた料理をラーメンの上にのせます。でもラーメンといってもチキンラーメンを使ってお湯でボイルしません。チキンラーメンをそのまんま使います。チキンラーメンとキャベツと豚肉のケチャップ炒めですね。これがまた美味しい。本当に美味しい。だからラーメンのお湯でボイルしない豚肉ラーメン、これといつものように僕が作っている焼きそばのソースと焼きそばの麺、これをよろしくお願いします。下の方の概要欄に貼っておきますので、 Facebook を貼っておきますので、もしよければ注文してください。少しずつ今これを買ってくれる人たちが増えています。そして2回目3回目4回目とも買ってくれている人たちも出てきています。非常に嬉しいです。そして非常に美味しい焼きそばソースです。ぜひ一回試してみてください。じゃあ今日はポークチャップラーメンを作っていきましょう。
So for today's ingredients we need 1 chicken ramen, 120 grams of pork, a half onion, 70 grams of ketchup, 8 grams of Worcestershire sauce, garlic paste, a half a cabbage, hondashi and basil. First we're going to simply cut the pork in half. For the cabbage, use a food slicer to thinly slice the cabbage. For the onion, cut the stem and the roots, cut it in half, and cut it into thin slices. In a pan, add oil and cook the onion in mild heat until it's slightly caramelized. Take it out and leave it aside. In another pan, add oil and cook the pork in mild heat. Then add the onions and stir fry for 10 seconds. Then add the hondashi and garlic paste and slightly mix. Then add ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and stir fry till coated. And now we're going to crush the chicken ramen using a hammer and break the big pieces using a hand. Guys, it's here, the porkchap with crumbled chicken ramen. It's surprising because you can actually eat this chicken ramen without being cooked. Let's try it.
I want to eat this crispy one first.
Hey. That's good.
Reminds like childhood that eating this like a bunch of times like without cooking. Let's try it me.
It's so good.
You have to try with the crunch and the cabbage. It tastes really good.
I'm gonna try with the cabbage and the pork.
I'm eating a crunchy.
So good.
This is very tasty.
It's really savory.
I like how the crunch goes well with the pork.
I've never experienced in a way to eat ramen like this. It's really good. The crunchiness and this really savory pork chop is really good. It really goes well. You can't stop eating it. It's really crunchy and really savory. It's really good.
How was it set up?
I like the crunch part, and then I'm surprised that there's still flavor even though the ramen's not fully cooked.
Chicken ramen そのまま食べれるんだよ。
Yeah.
find on our Facebook page. The Facebook page is called the Daddy's Yakisoba. It's only $1.25 for 1 pack of yakisoba noodles and 1 pack of yakisoba sauce. It's really good. I really love the savoriness and this really uniqueness. You should try this. It's really good. A lot of people are buying this and it's really easy to cut. We also have a different kinds of arrangements for this yakisoba. We actually have a video of it. It's really good. Spicy, the curry, eggs, they're all good and it really goes well. So you should try this at home. Go try it right now. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to hit that link button so you can get more notifications from us. And this was really good. I love the crunchiness from the noodle and the pork chop and this really savoriness.
And like this is really simple. Like it's easy to make at home, so you guys really try this. Like it's good for a snack. I really liked it. We all liked it. We all enjoyed it. So give it a try.
So thanks guys for watching. Bye! Okay. Oi! Hey, what is it? Oi, more again. It's only one. It's only $1.25 for one. It's.
Yakisoba, right? Yakisoba.
I know.
I did.